Davinci, framed by Davinci. So I always talk about setting up your studio to where it's easy for you to just get in position to create this content. And me personally, if you could see this room, this is where I film most of my YouTube stuff. It's not organized. I got suitcases from different cities I've traveled that I haven't put up. So I don't even have my studio space in a position where I could just sit down and create this content for YouTube. So what you'll see is me getting my space back. But in the midst of me getting my space back, I want to talk about my setup for YouTube, because people always want to see the behind the scenes and what's the lighting that you use and what's this. So once I get this clean, then I can show you kind of my setup. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Time to clean. Crazy. This is my bag from a photo shoot 2 weeks ago going into New York City. If you haven't seen that video, actually I don't even think I edited that video. I will say, I'm gonna link it right here. Locks. So just put all my bags back in this closet.
Get paid for the get down. You can't tell me shit now. Set the move from the dough. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. You can't tell me shit now. That's just how it goes.
just setting my camera up because I'm about to put my Nanook. I'm about to put my Nanook case up. But I just want to make sure I don't need something like to tighten it. So my main camera is my Lumix G9 Mark II from Panasonic. And then I use, my lens is the Lumix 12 to 60. So this is the equivalent of like doing a 24 to 70 on a full frame versus this is a micro four thirds camera, not full frame. So get this one here. This will be my main camera for YouTube. So I'm just getting the camera at least on here with the flip out screen so I can see what I'm looking like. That camera will be there. This chair will be here. So I usually will just have this set up here as my setup. And I'll sit here and talk. I have a light here, I have a light here. I have two LED color lights on the side, but you'll see it once I put it together. It's just something about these old school DSLRs. I had a Canon 5D Mark IV, and I ended up selling it just to go back to the 6D Mark II because just so you've been a workhorse, always will be one of my favorite Canon cameras. And I didn't like that the 5D Mark IV did not have the articulated screen. Like, this is a must for me. I need it on any camera. So the camera companies that's looking to get Davinci's attention, you better have a screen that articulates all the way. So this will be my second camera. That'll be like a secondary angle. Like, I may not even use this angle, but I like to have it. And I'm putting the Canon 24 to 70 f2.8 on this Canon camera. So got all of that stuff put away, and then I can close my Nanook case. And start setting up these lights how I want them. I'm setting this camera away. I always have this over here. This will be this color light. Here, this up color light this side. I need to do this to the same part of the wall. And got another one here. I need to do this bit. Okay, so we're gonna go mic set up. Get the audio. What you'll see is this room is pretty good. This room is pretty empty, so I get a lot of reverb. So you'll see as a safety track, I put my DJI mic on this side of the microphone too. So I have like a fail safe for my audio when I'm recording. So right here, this little light here will just be so I don't get shadows on my face. And this is just like a, I wouldn't even call it a real light at all. It was like one of the first lights I ever bought. Didn't know what I was doing as a photographer, and I was just buying something that was cheap on Amazon. It came in like a kit. So this will be my key light here. So yeah, this main light will be my MS-60. So I'll usually have my chair right here at the edge of my mat. This will be out of frame, this mic, so you'll basically only see pretty much this. Osmo is up. And then I'll literally just be sitting in this spot just like this. I'll be right here. So what I like to do is, this is where I'm at, right? So every day I could just come home, sit in my spot, and that's it. Get ready to do this content. Got this articulating arm, so when I need to get up, I just swing that right there. Let me see. So let me start hitting some lights. Oh, I gotta put my mini fridge back. I took this off my desk. It's just a little prop so the desk don't look too boring. This is my little mini fridge that holds about 6 beers, 6 Cokes, some Red Bull, whatever you like it to hold. Another thing you'll notice is like, so when I sit here, I don't like this stuff being behind me so low. So I'll bring this up when I film. So this is like head height. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, see, now I got the face tracker on. So when I'm filming, I like to bring this desk up. Right there, right? So when I'm sitting here filming, my screen is high enough that you can see it, but you don't see the lights in the screen. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna move and adjust the lights, get the camera set up, and then we'll be ready to go. Tracking my face, but as you can see, I'm playing with these colors here. You can already see it starting to look better because I'm lit up. But let me get it right where it's supposed to be. That'll be kind of the setup, right? You always see this teal and orange vibe for the aesthetics of complementing colors on a color wheel, all of that stuff they tell you on YouTube. But let me get this first camera set up, maybe set up the second camera, and then we'll be ready to film. Let's go. So I get this camera where I need it. See, I like to have this camera close enough to where if I'm sitting in the chair and I need to adjust, I can adjust it right from sitting down. So I'm just getting my bubble right. So I want my head like in between, it's like where that monitor is, right? So right where it's at right now, it's a little bit too zoomed in. Right there is good. So then what I need to do is I need to sit up. So if I'm sitting up right here, I'm good, but I need to be a little bit more right here. So right here, I'm blocking my monitor, but I need to move this a little bit more so that and this is why I say put the tripod where you can move it and adjust. So I got it right there, I'm good. Back, that's good. So it's just certain stuff that I see that I don't like I don't like that I can see this cord right here behind the fridge. I'm gonna move that. I don't know what this cord is here. I'm gonna move that. So all these things matter. Can't get nothing done when you're trying to film, man. Everybody just calls. Can't talk right now. Okay. Get that right there. Let me get this mouse pad because I want my surface to be a clean surface. Okay. So I'm gonna just adjust this light down a little bit. Adjust that light down a little bit. Let me get back in my seat. See how I'm liking this. Okay, so I'm liking this setup. I need to be more right here. And then let me see if I can just bring this in right here. And then I'm good right here. This is perfect for me. Actually, if I could just shift that right there, that's perfect. So I need to be like right in this spot right here. So I'm gonna raise this up a little bit. And this is perfect for me. This is where I like to be. The only thing I would adjust is now I need to adjust my, I'm too bright, so I need to adjust my lighting. I like my lighting here. I got a good key light here. I have a light here, but I need to adjust in the camera. So let me get that right, and then we ready to go. I want to show you guys what this log footage looks like. People always ask me about color grading and all of those things. So this is what like log footage looks like. It's super flat, but it gives you the most information out of the camera. So if I need to just bump up anything, lighting, contrast, my S-curve, everything. So this is a flat profile. And then I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do it like they do on YouTube. This is the color graded version. I probably will start selling my LUTs. I don't know. Everybody sells LUTs, so it's like, I don't even know if anybody will buy these LUTs, but maybe I'll put my LUTs up on how I color grade, or I will do a video about my color grading process and how I kind of start with my base LUTs, and then I just make those adjustments. So as you can tell, like this is literally just an extra empty room in my house. I'm building a content space on the 3rd floor that I'll probably do a video on that, but the one thing I hate about filming in here is that I get so much reverb because this room is huge. It's like, I don't know, 14 by 20 or something like that. It's a big guest room. So eventually this will be a guest room, but this is it, man. So I'm gonna put a link in the description to all of this. Basically, now all I gotta do is just walk in here and create the content. And I'm gonna show you what that looks like. And just like that, we're ready to film. So I hope you've enjoyed just seeing my process. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. I'm gonna give you in the description kind of all the equipment, the tripod, the mic, the lights, all of these things will be linked in the description. I'm your boy Davinci. See you on the next one.